Hello kids! Welcome back to Spoken English for Kids. Today we'll learn a very important classroom sentence. Ready? Let's start! Listen carefully. Always raise your hand before speaking. Now repeat after me. Always raise your hand before speaking. Great job! Let's say it slowly. Always, always, raise your hand. Raise your hand before speaking. B for speaking. Now together. Always raise your hand before speaking. This means don't start talking without permission. In class, you should raise your hand first before you speak. For example, in our class, we always raise our hand before speaking. That's good manners and good English. Well done, kids! Keep practicing your spoken English every day. See you in the next video.